Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this smartphone. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down. Select Apps and Notifications over here, click on Notifications and scroll down. Then select See All from last 7 days and pick one of your apps, like Google Play Store. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app are now disabled. You can enable them by clicking at the same switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!